Hi! Did you know that you can move your pipes to the edge of the structure and still maintain the connection? If you grab a pipe like this and you move it to the edge, it will still be connected to my structure, so my structure still has 3 pipes connected. In Naviate we have a tool for doing this automatically and move the pipes to the edge of the structure. It's called pipe to edge. So if I select my pipes like that, and then I can select to do it on only these pipes and how to maintain the elevation. And now these pipes are moved to the edge of the structure. But if I move this structure, these connections will be reset. So now they are connected back to the center. And if I just go back to the original position, in Naviate we have a way of storing this. So I can store the pipe offsets in my structure by applying this to my parts, and I will select the pipes that I want to apply this to. So if I now move my structure, it will be reset, and then I can use my restore all pipe offsets, and it will move the pipes back to the stored position.